Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of mechatronics, that is flip-flop and its type, and one of the type of flip-flop, that is RS flip-flop. Okay, and if you new for our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and give a feedback in our comment section. Here first is, what is flip-flop? Here any device or circuit that has two stable states is said to be bistable. Means if any device has two stable states, that device is called as bistable. And next, a flip-flop is bistable electronic circuit that has two stable states, that is its output is either 0 or plus 5 volt. A flip-flop also a bistable device because it has two stable states, okay, which is 0 and plus 5 volt. Flip-flop has two stable states, so it's called as bistable. These two stable states are 0 volt or plus 5 volt. These two states are called reset and set respectively. The 0 state is called as reset and the plus 5 volt state is called as set. The output remains as set until something is done to change it. In flip-flop, output remains set, okay, means plus 5 volt until there is no changes occur, until we done something to it, okay. And next one is, hence the flip-flop can be regarded as the memory device, so it store the information like set or reset, so it can be regarded as the memory device. For instance, when the flip-flop has its output set 0 volt DC, it can be regarded as storing a logic 0. Here the output is in DC current. If the output is 0 volt, then the flip-flop storing 0 in the logic circuit. It can be regarded as storing a logic 0. It's storing logic 0 here. When the output is 0 volt, the flip-flop stores the logic 0. When the output is plus 5 volt, then the flip-flop is storing a logic 1, and that is flip-flop. And there are types of flip-flop also, and there are so many types in flip-flop. Here I mentioned a few of them. First one is JK flip-flop, RS flip-flop, D-type flip-flop, T-type flip-flop, and etc. So many flip-flops are there. Here are 5 flip-flop which are essential for our studies. And here first, in this video I am explaining one of the type of flip-flop, and in next video we are going to discuss separately one-to-one flip-flop, okay. Here today we are discussing in this video is JK flip-flop. JK flip-flop is the type of flip-flop invented by a engineer. Name is Jack Kelby. It is invented by an engineer. Name is Jack Kelby, and he is a scientist. He is the first scientist in the world who invented the first integrated circuit. And the JK flip-flop circuit came from the name of the scientist who invented it, that Jack Kelby. Jack Kelby invented the JK flip-flop, so its name is given as JK. And it also has two input units like other sequential circuit. The set input of JK flip-flop circuit is known as J, and the reset input of the JK flip-flop is known as K, okay. Here the J stands for set, okay, and K stands for reset. There are many flip-flop design which are currently being used, but the most common one which is widely used is JK flip-flop circuit. It is also sequential circuit. There are so many flip-flop in market, but in worldwide the JK flip-flop is widely used flip-flop and main type of flip-flops, okay. And next is here the working of JK flip-flop. Here we see the working of JK flip-flop. Please listen carefully. This is going to little bit tricky, but it's too easy if you listen this video without skipping. Here, if the input of both set means j and reset means k are different, then the output q has the value of output j, that is set. Okay, here if the input is both set and input are different, okay, if this is 0, if this is 0, if this 1, means if this is high or if this is low, then the output is high, which is given by j. Okay, like this. All this happens on the next edge of the clock input. Suppose if both set j and reset k input are low, if you give input j and k is low, if we give low input to both set and reset, means to both j and k, then the output remains low, then there is no change occurring output. Okay, then there is no change occurring output. Here is, see here, j is low and k is low, then q is no change, it remains as it is. Okay, there is no change in q if you give same input for j and k. And next, the best advantage of this circuit overall flip-flops is that has no ambiguous states. That is the reason it is referred to as most versatile circuit. Here means ambiguous state means we will discuss this ambiguous state in SR flip-flop. Okay, SR flip-flop, in SR flip-flop has a ambiguous state, which we will discuss in next video. Okay, the basic thing which is required for the JK flip-flop to work or change state in toggle action, and the generating toggle action high value of the set j and reset k is must, as when we have high values then only toggle action occurs. Here, see here, and if we give high input to j and low to k, then the output is j. Okay, and the output is j. See here, the output is j. If we give low and low to both, then there is no change in output, means q, no change. If we give 0 means low to j and high to k, then it will going to be reset. If you give the high input to k, then it going to reset the flip-flop. If you give 0 to k and high input to j, then the output is plus 5 volt, means there is action is set. Okay, this is set. And if you give both to high voltage, then the output is toggle means we will discuss in next video, means this is a different type of output we will discuss in next video. Here you have to know that this is last action is toggle, and high input for j means set, high input for k means reset, low input for both is no change. Okay, this is a symbol and this is a circuit diagram of JK flip-flop, and this is a truth table. I hope you all understood this video, and please like the video and make sure to subscribe and give a comment as a feedback for us. I hope you all understood this video. Thanks for watching.